Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and we are going to be using the Blue Blood Palette again today because it's still here, and technically I tried to give it back and then we talked forever and she left to go pick up her son and she forgot it, and when I walked into my living room, it was still sitting there. I put it up, and then I walked outside and realized she hadn't left yet, but by the time I went to go get it, she was already gone. So yeah, it's still here. It's been here for like a good month, and I've set it up out of the way to where my daughter can't get into it because I would be devastated if she messed up this palette. So it's been out of my daughter's way, right in my eyesight, so every time I walk past it I'm like, and today I got into it again. I'm sorry, Zebra, I love you, but I love you. Hopefully you're not too mad at me. Anyway, besides this long intro, let's just get right in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hit that bell notification, because once we hit 500 subs, guess what? I'm doing another giveaway. Yes. And I can't be more excited. I know we're still quite a while away. I'm only at 156 subscribers. But I know we can get there. Leave a comment down below letting me know how you like my background, because it is different. I did that all by myself because that's generally the lips I make when I'm doing something. I'm like, I copied it off of a picture on my phone, and I just kind of free-handed it looking at this picture. I think it came out pretty good. But yeah, there's a video up on my channel. I'll have it probably down below somewhere for you to watch. That reminds me, you should check out some of my other videos down below, because there's lots of content. There's me redoing this whole background, because about a month or so ago I had my desk turned and you could see my door and everything behind me, and I was going to keep it that way and put a backdrop in, but I figured this was way more practical because I can actually use all of that space, and then I don't have like something in my walkway. It makes sense to me, okay? So yeah, that is my new vanity setup. It's actually really bomb. I love it, but you know, I think it adds character to the fact that I put all the shelves up, I painted everything, I decorated everything. Like, it was all me. Those were just plain pieces of wood that I made into pictures, you know. I found that at Lowe's. Like, who goes to Lowe's to decorate, you know? I mean, I guess a lot of people, but I really love it. But you know, if you don't, that's okay. Let me know. Let me know what I should change. Tell me if I should take some stuff off my desk to make it less cluttered. It's all good. Let me know. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!